And turning to the fight against COVID right now, the state's seeing the 5th straight day of cases over 6,000. This is where we stand now, over 6,500. State reporting that now. If New Jersey reports another 6,000 cases tomorrow, it'll actually mark the worst 7 days of the pandemic. We'll let you know what happens. And as statewide hospitalizations for COVID-19 approach 2,000, they're hitting levels not seen in nearly a year, even if they are far short of the worst that we saw in 2020. Governor Murphy saying today that new COVID restrictions are a possibility, but he's not ordering any yet. News 12 New Jersey's Alex Adan with the story from Trenton.
We're trying like heck to meet the moment and try not to either overshoot or undershoot.
Amid long lines at COVID testing centers fueled by a worrying rise in COVID cases in the tri-state area, Governor Murphy is once again considering tightening COVID restrictions.
If a life is at stake, we're going to be in the better be safe than sorry category.
But while the governor had mentioned possibly going back to capacity limits indoors at bars and restaurants as just one of several possibilities, he's made no decisions yet, and it's unclear if he'll make any changes.
Again, it isn't one number or one specific trend that we hang our hat on.
We are seeing significant increase in cases right now. Yesterday, we had the highest number of positive PCR cases, 6,533, that we have seen since January of 2021.
But how many of those cases are Omicron? For the most recent week of data ending December 4th, not many.
About less than 1% of our variants that we've sequenced to date are Omicron.
The one thing we cannot allow to happen is our healthcare system's capacities to be overrun.
But though hospitalizations have increased over the last 5 days, they're still less than a quarter of what they were during the peak of COVID's first wave in April of 2020.
Trend in testing is up, and we are getting more capacity to meet that demand as we speak.
There are over 100 free testing sites in the state and an at-home PCR saliva test available from Vault Medical Services. The Vault test is available for free through the State Department of Health for anyone who needs it and can be shipped to your home via UPS. In Trenton, Alex Adan, News 12, New Jersey.
To order a free test kit, you can go to learn.vaulthealth.com/NJ.